Black's challenge here is to make a ko and try to live. If black simply plays moves like this, then there won't be enough eye space. Black will be dead like this. For the purpose of this problem, I think black can play this first. Doesn't really matter. And of course, the key move to make a ko is to play this, right? You're hoping that eventually this will become a ko. But let's see if white can kill black without playing a ko. That should be white's go. So if white reduces black's eye space like this, then black can make an extra eye here. And white can only play this to start this ko. So black can succeed this way. If white destroys this eye, then black needs to play this move to ensure an eye here, and white will be forced to play this ko to try to destroy black's second eye. And these are the correct variations for the purpose of this problem. Or black can play this move as the first move as well. It will not make a difference, and you can try out the variations on your own. Overall, the takeaway is to make this shape and hoping to start a ko this way. So of course, this problem already tells you that the result is a ko. When you see this pattern in real games, you should think about how to make a living shape first. If that doesn't happen, then you should settle on making a ko. Thank you for watching.